are very loving.
Hi Neeraj, very sincere and dedicated.
हैंडसम लंबू।
यार अपना है ना एक वो है यानी मूछें यानी और किसी की इतनी नहीं होगी जितनी अपन ने मूछें जो गब्बर सिंह वाली कर रखी है उसके अंदर कोई जवाब ही नहीं है यार।
Need your amazing personality, that's it.
Biophil, caring, boyfriend.
Neeraj, one word for you from my side. You are my dost.
Down to earth.
मैं आपको एक वर्ड में नहीं 2 वर्ड में बोलूंगा, फ्रेंडली और सपोर्टिव।
One word in which you can describe Neeraj.
Omniscient.
The one word to describe Neeraj is very simple: trustworthy.
Okay, so one word for Chinu Bhaiya would be handsome.
One word which describes him would be a perfectionist. Yeah.
Wisdom.
One word to describe Neeraj, it got to be dushtu. It's basically naughty with an undertone of goodness.
Okay, one word to describe Neeraj.
Dashing.
I would say loyal.
Neeraj Ganju is an ordinary person with an extraordinary dream.
Happy birthday, dear Chino. आप छोटे थे मेरे ख्याल 2-2.5 साल के और उस टाइम सरबा जो तेज किशन जोगी है उस मामा की मैरिज थी और आप तोशा के साथ उसके पीछे पीछे घूमते थे। तो ये टाटा जी जो है सरबा के डैडी थे तो तुमको कहते हैं अरे तीनों जाओ तोशा को चाय बोलो। तो तुमको ज़्यादा बोलना आता नहीं था तो बोलते तोशा चाय तोशा चाय तोशा चाय।
कुछ भी नहीं था उसमें, चुप रहता था, बोला सब रहता था।
अच्छा,
वो दांत 3 महीने भी निकल आए थे।
रामगढ़ की इवनिंग, खूब हंसना, एंजॉय करना, मस्ती करना, वो कभी नहीं भूल सकती।
विक्की की शादी में जो डांस हुए वो हमारे लिए बहुत मजेदार और बहुत मस्ती वाले थे।
विक्की की शादी में जो तुमने मस्ती की थी, एक एक नहीं, हर दिन हर समय हमेशा याद रहेंगे।
वो हम लोगों को भी रहेंगे पूरे टाइम, चाहे वो प्रैक्टिस रन हो, चाहे फाइनल ऑन स्टेज रन हो, चाहे ऑफ स्टेज की पार्टी हो।
वो मस्ती का मौसम हमेशा याद रहेगा।
हाँ नीरज, कितनी यादें हैं तुम्हारी, मैं बता नहीं सकती। नन्नी के साथ तुम्हारा गाने गाना और नन्नी को तुमने उसको गाना सिखाया, उसने तुमको गाना सिखाया और तुम लोगों ने कितना एंजॉय किया, वो यादें भी मैं आज याद करती हूँ। कितना अच्छा लगता है सब बातें सुन के। बहुत अफेक्शनेट हो तुम, बहुत 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 पार्टी में रौनक लाने वाले हो। और क्या बताऊँ मैं तुम्हें, मुबारक आज का जन्मदिन तुम्हें बहुत शुभ हो, खूब खुश रहो, जियो जी भर के।
Hi Jeej, wish you a very happy birthday. The memories that I cherish is there are actually a lot, but I'll tell 3 of them. First was when I had just came out of college and we went to a pub, you, me and Munidi. और रात को जब हम वापस आ रहे थे तो we had so much fun. नीचे पान की दुकान, ऊपर गोरी का मकान. That was one of the most amazing nights I had. I always cherish that. उसके बाद when you and I went for a course, Bhavaspandana, then last day of the course after so much toiling and गला हमारा बैठा हुआ था, आवाज़ निकल नहीं रही थी, पैर पूरे टूट चुके थे, बॉडी टूट चुकी थी, एंड वी वर लाइंग डाउन, वी वर जस्ट लाफिंग एंड वी सेड भगवान उठा ले. दैट वाज फन, दैट वाज अमेजिंग. वो टाइम मेरे को हमेशा याद आता है. एंड द लेटेस्ट इज all of our cricketing moments, cricket field पर we had so much fun. जब हम trophy जीते थे 2 बार, that was amazing. I have lovely memories of those things. So yeah, that's it. Have a great day.
Himanshu, what is the best memory of Neeraj you have?
Best memory is when they had visited Pune on Holi. Holi पे जब आए थे, we played Holi together. Then visit to Goa.
अरे गोवा वाला ट्रिप तो अलग ही था. जब हम लोग रात को तो पहले यहीं पे थे, जाना रात को था, गए अगली दोपहर में थे. वो याद है कि नहीं याद है? And it was no doubt and very memorable trip.
Yes.
We can't forget that trip.
Goa trip was
Goa
really
was awesome trip with you all.
very enjoyable with all of you.
We just thoroughly enjoyed.
Many good memories with you, but my favorite one is the one when we went to Varanasi together. It was like my dream come true. In fact, you are responsible for making this dream come true for me. I could not believe that the previous day I was in Delhi and the next morning I was in Varanasi out of blues. And I kept checking constantly in Varanasi to believe that I am in Varanasi. Thank you so very much to make my dream come true. And thank you very, very much as always. We enjoyed together as always. Thank you.
आपके साथ में वैष्णो देवी गए, जो सुखद यात्रा हुई, इसमें इतना आनंद आया. वो दोबारा मेरे लिए मौका है और बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. जो मेरे लिए प्यारे प्यारे गाने गाते हैं उसका तो कोई कहना ही नहीं.
My best memory of Neeraj is on my wedding day. Just before the Doli, somebody came and told me that as soon as I get to my new house, I have to go and make suji halwa. And I got a panic attack. I blanked out. I didn't know what to say, what to do. And then Neeraj and Moni were sitting right next to me, and I'm like, oh my god, I don't know how to make halwa. And Neeraj like, Sardarni, chill maar, kuch nahi hota, I'll tell you. And then he took a tissue paper, he wrote down the proportions, and while I was sobbing, getting into my dolly, he's still telling me, don't panic, it'll be okay, just remember the proportions, wipe your tears with this tissue, and that way you can have it handy when you're making halwa. And it is just the fondest memory of Neeraj, and it just shows how he's just always there for us, and he's always been there for us, and we love him.
For me, when we bought our first house in Ghaziabad way back, the way Neeraj took over the whole ceremony and helped us organize in the Greh Pravesh, it was fantastic. Till date, I'm very touched about that and the way he handled it. So thank you, Neeraj. If I have never ever said that to you, we love you.
My best memory with Neeraj and all of you is when we planned for a visit of Banke Bihari Mandir in Vrindavan. It was an impromptu decision, but I would cherish that for the entire life of mine. Thank you all so much.
What is your best memory with Neeraj?
My best memory with Neeraj and me was that the time when he helped me in the MUN, plus some small trips that we have had. These are the best memories.
Me, the best memory about him is when it was my Vidai and I saw him in the railway station and he was leaving. He gave me a warm hug before leaving.
Well, there's so many memories we have of our childhood, but which kind of always goes on and around the head is how we used to play a lot, play cricket a lot rather together, and especially when we went to Sainik Colony and we had this huge ground to play cricket in, and he used to play a lot of lofty shots by coming ahead and kind of kicking the ball out of the park. So yeah, that's the best memory I have of him, playing cricket with him.
My best memory of Neeraj got to be the days when we were in the IHM hostel. And after that, I think the days we spent together in our initial days of our career, when we were all kind of trying to get our foothold, and then saw him establishing himself very well, and then succeeding really, really well after that.
Unsolvable paradox with a dry sense of humor. कहना मतलब पूछना पूछना genuine का मतलब पूछना.
नीरज, याद है अक्कू की शादी में, वहाँ शादी में जा रहे थे और बहुत तेजी से गाड़ी को फ्लाईओवर पे चढ़ा दिया था, और फिर उसके बाद में आगे हमको कहीं पे भी उतरने को जगह नहीं मिली थी, और फिर तुमने बैक गियर के अंदर गाड़ी को उतारा था,
और चाचा का गुस्सा भी याद होगा, बहक रहे थे, भाग रहे थे,
याद है ना? ओके, एंजॉय द डे, एंजॉय बर्थडे.
नीरज, मुझे याद है जब तुम्हारी सगाई हुई थी ना, तो मैंने सोचा क्या करूँ, तो रसगुल्ले थे, तो ये सोचा कि तुम्हें खूब सारे रसगुल्ले खिला के परेशान करती हूँ, पर मैंने खिलाने शुरू करे, एक गप, दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, वो तो गिनती नहीं रही, खाते ही चले गए, मैं ही उल्टा परेशान हो गई. मुझे हमेशा याद रहता है तुम्हारा ये किस्सा.
यार जीत, आपके तो किस्से ऐसे ऐसे हैं, नहीं एक दो तो हो तब तो समझ में आए, मल्टीपल ऐसे ऐसे होते हैं. नहीं एक बार ये नहीं वो कैरेट हाथ में लेकर आ रही तो स्माइल जो आ रही थी, एक बार वैसी ही स्माइल मेरे को याद है. रात को अपन लोग निकले थे भैया, पान खाने के लिए निकले थे, किमाम वाला पान कहीं नहीं मिल रहा, फाइनली एक जगह मिला, और वहां पर आके जो उनको फाइनली जो पान मिला और आंखों में जो चमक, जो तृप्ति और जो स्माइल थी ना ईयर टू ईयर वाली, वो वाली चीज वापस कभी याद कोई नहीं मिला मेरे को ऐसा. इशू
द बेस्ट मेमोरी विथ यू वाज जब आप और मोनी दीदी मुझे वेडिंग के नेक्स्ट डे लेने आए थे. दैट राइड आई विल ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर. जैसे आपने मेरे को सबके बारे में बताया था, माँ, अब्बू एंड एवरीबॉडी. दैट इज द बेस्ट मेमोरी आई हैव विथ यू.
बता तो दे हम क्या बताएं.
नीरज तूने अच्छा
टॉप सीक्रेट.
अरे फनी मोमेंट तो हमारे एक ही है यार, दारू पी के नैनीताल का प्लान बनाना. जितनी बार दारू पीते थे उतनी बार नैनीताल घूम के आते थे, रात के 12 बजे तक वापस भी आ जाते थे.
हाँ, वो अभी भी बन जाते हैं वैसे फोन के ऊपर तो. अभी नैनीताल नहीं, अब तो कश्मीर के ज्यादा बनते हैं वैसे.
मेरे लिए तो आपके साथ गुजारे गए सारे पल फनी है.
क्या बात है, ड्रामा से ज्यादा कर दिया तुमने.
We don't meet often, but I think we have fair share of our laugh almost daily on a phone call.
जब नीरज की शादी से पहले मिली थी, उस वक्त से अब तक नीरज में बहुत चेंज आ गया, बाय नेचर, बाय हेल्थ.
नीरज जब पहले मिले थे तो कुंवारे थे, फिर पति बने, फिर दामाद भी बने, और अब दो बच्चों प्यारे से दो बच्चों के बाप भी बने. बधाई हो जन्मदिन की.
नीरज, मुझे तो तुम पहले भी ऐसे लगते थे और अब भी ऐसे लगते हो, कोई चेंज नहीं है, वैसे कि वैसे ही.
पहले डायनासोर हुआ करते थे, फिर क्या? ओके.
मेरे से मिलने के बाद चेंज सिर्फ एक ही आया है, मूंछों का. मूंछो तो
change, not that I have noticed.
Well, I think he has. Definitely, he's. You can see him being more spiritual. He's that way, and well, you can also see that he's likes spending time with his family a lot. That not that I'm saying that he's changed in that way, but yeah, he's grown through the years. From the time I've known him, grown through the years, grown for good. So yeah, he has changed.
Change, I do not think you have changed much, except for a little more polished and ruthlessly candid about the world around. I think this is most of the people, they change, and when they see the world around, they become like this. So nothing bad in it, but it's important to realize the world around.
For me, you are still the same, Neeraj. Be like that.
No, I like him the way he is. That does not mean that it's a good change, I would say.
Yeah.
Neeraj changed from when you met him first and now.
जब मैंने नीरज को पहली बार देखा था तब में और अब में स्वभाव के हिसाब से कोई फ़र्क नहीं है, लेकिन लुक के हिसाब से बहुत बड़ा फ़र्क है. आफ्टर लॉकडाउन उनको देखने के बाद उनका वो जो लुक था वो मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा, पता नहीं क्यों.
He's both the storm and the calm master.
ये क्वेश्चन ही गलत है, क्योंकि नीरज कभी किसी को नाराज करते ही नहीं. सो ही नेवर अनॉयज.
No.
Nothing annoying, but फिर भी maybe you can quit smoking 100%. Sorry.
ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, बट समटाइम आई फील कि यू आर ओवर पोसेसिव फॉर सानिया, कि सानिया ये मत करो. यस यू आर.
ऐसा तो नहीं है यार.
थोड़ा सा कभी कभी, नॉट ज़्यादा नहीं, बट थोड़ा सा नन्ना सा. तन में देखो.
One peculiar habit of Neeraj that you have noticed.
After having 4 or 5 पैच भैया, you always say मोनी और मेरी गराड़ी ना 15 साल में फिट होते होते हो ही गई.
Well, we both have crossed the stage of likeness or dislikeness about each other and stuff like that. You know, as I said, I'm like a partner to him. So whether he likes me or he dislikes me and vice versa, we will stay together and we will make it happen. That's what we do. In most times we have more disconnects than connects in a lot of issues that we discuss, but we sort it out, we speak about it, we don't make a fuss about, and there is never a time that there is anything which is prolonged beyond for 24-48 hours, and we settle it off. So I think this quality is there in him more than me. The way he conducts himself, the way he puts across his points and all. At times he stretches a bit, and at times, things that I want him to improve is be a better listener. He has that capability that people will come and he becomes their nicest punching bag. But more often than not, you will have Neeraj only talking and sharing, and he doesn't have that patience to even give you a sound listening and then probably speak out what he wishes. So I'm sure my brother in his 45th year will continue to mature further and work on this. Rest, I think he's a God gift, a pure family man, a great soul, a divine soul. The kind of belief that he has in God, the kind of stuff that he has shared with me on philosophical part of life.
So of course I don't find anything annoying about him, but yes, when you talk about peculiar, not a habit, but I see him very happy when he is with his family and spending time with everyone.
Same as her. I don't think so there's any peculiar habit as such which I have noticed recently. And when you love someone, I don't think so and there's anything much which you find annoying about anything.
धर्म के बारे में बिल्कुल नीरज पर्टिकुलर हैं, बिल्कुल ध्यान से काम करते हैं, धर्म ध्यान से पूजा करते हैं.
Neeraj, you are very affectionate, very dedicated and very sincere, punctual. I like it.
नीरज बहुत केयरिंग हो, बड़ों के लिए क्या, छोटों के लिए क्या, सभी के लिए. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Maturity with humor is one of the most unique and rarest quality which you can find with other people.
मेरा इन तीनों का कट कॉपी पेस्ट.
Neeraj, वैसे तो you have a lot of qualities, but spontaneously what comes to my mind is that you are very accommodative and respect for human beings, respect for individual, irrespective of their stature.
I absolutely agree with you, Manju. No doubt in that. नीरज बिल्कुल बच्चों के साथ बच्चे भी बन जाते हैं.
मेरा डायलॉग मारा
नहीं.
वैसे तो आप में बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज है, जैसे पापा ने बोला, पर आपकी आपको जो वर्ड्स डिस्क्राइब करते हैं वही आपकी बेस्ट क्वालिटीज हैं. आप बहुत फ्रेंडली हो और आप बहुत सपोर्टिव भी हो.
Yes, that's true.
Best quality.
Caring, humble, and helpful.
So about his best quality, I find him a very good father. The way he motivates Sanya for all her cultural inclinations like dance and all, the way he feels when he makes us see her videos, and how happy he is while telling us about it. So I love that.
Off late we haven't really spent too much time personally, but the 20 odd years we've spent together, I can say he always was very patient. He was always there when you needed him. He would always lend you a listening ear whenever you had a problem or a challenge, and you would throw it against him. He'll offer you his advice. I think that's the best I can remember about him.
भैया की जो सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी है जो मुझे लगती है वो ये है कि भैया बहुत ही ज़्यादा डाउन टू अर्थ है और वो अपने रिलेशंस चाहे उनकी फैमिली हो या फ्रेंड्स हो उनको बहुत अच्छे से मेंटेन करते हैं और सबके लिए हमेशा अवेलेबल रहते हैं.
मुझे भैया की सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी ये लगती है, चाहे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, बहुत कामनेस से उस चीज़ को हैंडल करते हैं, टैकल करते हैं और उनका यही नेचर उनको सबसे अलग बनाता है.
Neeraj is very special to me. He's like an elder brother. He keeps guiding me. Most of the times, keeps the ready bob on me, saying this is what you should do, this is how you should behave. And at times I forget whether he reports to me or the other way around. But having said so, a very dear friend and somebody I always look up to. I know him since 2004 end, and it's been almost 16 odd years. During that time, there is a brief 7-8 years when we were not in touch, not because of any other reason or any other stuff, just that we got carried away big time into our respective workloads and our respective lives. But when we connected, the warmth was still there, and that's something which is special about the entire Ganju family. Fountain has become bigger. Swar is now the new addition in the house. Monica is as cute and as lovely as ever, and Neeraj, as the head of the family, is always caring. Is somebody that I always look up to. So Neeraj, on your birthday, I really wish you all the best things to happen. And there is one special message that I have for you, and which is known to you, but still it is important to share at times. Me and Neeraj have been contemplating almost for 2 years now to start a business venture or a venture, where we reside in our home states, and we still do a great job in creating a company that we both are proud of. Believe me, brother, it will happen.
I like the way Neeraj combines his maturity and intelligence to come out with practical and prudent solutions.
The ability to change your pessimistic thoughts to optimistic.
बच्चों के लिए कई बार गलत शब्द कल लड़ाई हुई है. कई बार मैं आपको उस बारे में बोल नहीं पाई.
नीरज, कभी कभी तुम बहुत एडमेंट हो जाते हो, जिद्दी हो जाते हो. अब्बू के साथ भी कोई बात नहीं, कभी कभी चलता है.
कोई तो मिला. हाँ नीरज, कम पियो और पी के कम बोलो.
जयपुर आओ तो अच्छे से रह के जाओ, मस्ती भी करो तो फुल टॉस करो, लेकिन जयपुर 24 घंटे की जगह कम से कम 1 हफ्ते से 2 हफ्ते तो रुक के जाओ.
आपको बस एक ही बात बतानी, मोनी दीदी रात के 12:30 बजे हमें तैयार करवा के वीडियो बनवाई.
यस, रेडी.
I think Neeraj, we share such a relationship. There is nothing which I could never tell it to you. Whatever I wanted to say, I always shared with you. So I don't think we have anything which we ever wanted to say and which we did not communicate or share with you. So it's a very open and transparent relationship we have.
One thing you always wanted to tell Neeraj but couldn't.
His family.
We are too old to lie now.
Okay, so I didn't get enough time to tell him a lie so far.
Nothing comes to mind. A kind of a lie which I have told him, and about the fact that if I want to tell him something, yeah, I'm pretty upfront that way, so I can always call him and tell him. So no, nothing at all.
He's the sunshine mixed with a little bit of hurricane.
नीरज को मैं जन्मदिन की यही गिफ्ट दूंगी। खूब खुश रहें, खूब मस्ती करें और हमेशा सबका ध्यान रखते रहें। बस यही मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं।
Neeraj, a long-awaited a family trip to some hill station to enjoy the whole family. Do you remember? We have committed it. So plan for it. Okay? Have a nice day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Gift for you, Neeraj. You know, I feel 1 liter bottle of mum. It is not just a gift, we will share it together. Standing on the center table, shake it well, let the cork pop out, splash the champagne and drink it together.
ये कौन सी वाली सेंटर टेबल होने वाली है? पहले एक बार बता दो मेरे को। मजबूत वाली सेंटर टेबल यहाँ पे
हमारे
रेडी
घर
करके
की, हमारे घर की
रेडी
center
करनी
table।
पड़ेगी।
हमारे घर की
तैयार
center
रखना, ये सोच लेना।
हाँ।
नीरज, ये देखो, ये गिफ्ट बिल्कुल ना ड्यू है तुम्हारे लिए। ओके,
So
you have to come over here
हाँ।
and we will celebrate it again once again.
So
your
he
birthday.
has to come to Pune on his birthday and
Yes.
we will stand on this table.
पक्का
Yes.
नीरज, पक्का? ओके, डन।
नाचने के लिए पापिल और मम्मी आपके साथ तो रहेंगी।
नहीं, तुम तो पीछे रहोगे। नहीं, तुम तो पीछे रहोगे।
और गाने फुल ऑन वॉल्यूम पे चलेंगे।
एंड सानिया एंड स्वर भी होंगे एंड तन्मय भी होगा।
और मेरी तरफ से आपको बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स, रैंडम गिफ्ट्स, मतलब जैसे कि आपको घड़ियां पसंद है, आप घड़ियां यूज कर सकते हैं। आपको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स में भी इंटरेस्ट है, आप वो भी बहुत सारे ले सकते हैं। गिफ्ट आपके लिए इतने सारे।
Once again, happy birthday, Neeraj!
Be an ideal gift for Neeraj from your side.
Obviously.
So if I have to gift something, I'll gift him a collection of old songs, a music CD.
Well, in my opinion, an ideal gift would be where all of us get together along with our families and spend some time with Chinubuya on this special day. Unfortunately, it can't happen in the current circumstances, but probably since he's nearing 50, so let's plan it.
दारू की बोतल।
मेरे दो अनमोल रतन, एक नीरज एक शैलू।
तारीफ करूं क्या तेरी जिसने तुझे बनाया। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
तौबा तौबा ये जवानी का गुरूर, इश्क के सामने सर फिर भी झुकाना ही पड़ा। कैसा कहते थे न आएंगे मगर दिल ने इस तरह पुकारा, तुम्हें आना ही पड़ा। ये माना मेरी जान मोहब्बत सजा है, ये माना मेरी जान मोहब्बत सजा है। मजा इसमें इतना मगर किस लिए है, मजा इसमें इतना मगर किस लिए है। वो एक बेकरारी जो अब तक इधर थी, वही बेकरारी उधर किस लिए है। अभी तक तो इधर थी, उधर किस लिए है, इसलिए है, हाँ इसलिए है। हाँ ये माना मेरी जान मोहब्बत सजा है, मजा इसमें इतना मगर किस
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Neeraj Jiju. Happy birthday to you.
विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। तुम तो आते हो तो पार्टी में रौनक आ जाती है। अरे तुम्हारे बिना पार्टी में रौनक कहाँ, कितना उछल उछल के काम करते हो, ये लाऊं वो लाऊं। इसके लिए तुम गाने भी इतने बढ़िया बढ़िया गाते हो। एक गाना मैं भी तुम्हें सुना देती हूँ। आने से उसके आए बाहर, जाने से उसके जाए बाहर, बड़ा मस्ताना है मेरा प्यारा नीरज, बड़ा मस्ताना है मेरा प्यारा नीरज, थोड़ा सा दीवाना है मेरा प्यारा नीरज।
Neeraj, this song is for you, for all of us.
From all of us.
कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन, जाता है हम न रहे कभी यारों के बिन, दिन भर हो प्यारी बातें, झूमे शामे गाए रातें, मस्ती में रहे रूबरू हमेशा समा। हम तो राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ, दिल चाहता है कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन, दिल चाहता है हम न रहे कभी यारों के बिन।
यारी तेरी यारी चल माना इस बारी, सारी मेरी फिक्रे तेरे आगे आके हारी, यारी नीरज तेरी यारी।
Well, the ad song for this point of the day or point of the event is "हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम होता हमारा WW," whatever it is. But the point is, we will be serious competitors to Swar. I mean, if we start telling us Bache, then poor kid will try to see that what is he. So without giving him a competition, and probably I think the only song that's coming to my mind as of now, and I'm hopeful Neeraj will also like it, is, and let me try, I'm not too good at it, but let me give it a shot. जिंदगी का सफर है ये कैसा सफर, कोई समझा नहीं कोई जाना नहीं, जिंदगी का सफर है ये कैसा सफर, कोई समझा नहीं कोई जाना नहीं। चला सिया।
Which we like to dedicate to Chinu Bhaiya for the dedicated family man he is an old song of Devanand's, Asma ke Niche Hum Aaj Apne Piche. So as a family we'll sing that now. Okay, please bear with us.
And Meety will start it. Okay, Inky.
आसमां के नीचे हम आज अपने पीछे, प्यार का जहां बसा के चले, कदम के निशान बना के चले।
Happy birthday भैया, happy birthday।
যখন সময় থমকে দাঁড়ায়, যখন সময় থমকে দাঁড়ায়, নিরাশার পাখি দুহাত বাড়ায়, খুঁজে নিয়ে মন নির্জন কোণ, কি আর করে তখন, স্বপ্ন 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 দেখে মন, স্বপ্ন 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 দেখে মন। If I have to vaguely translate it into English, it stand something like this. When the time comes to a standstill, when the hopeless bird spreads its wings to embrace you, what does your mind do then? After finding a lonely corner for itself, it only dreams, dreams, and dreams. Thank you.
शुरू हुआ
बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू। और गॉड ब्लेस यू, मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। भगवान सदा खुश रखे, समस्त खुशियाँ प्रदान करे। और बेटा हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर नीरज, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। बहुत मुबारक जन्मदिन की हार्दिक हार्दिक बधाई और शुभकामनाएं। आप हमारे सबसे बेस्ट पुत्र हो, शांत स्वभाव के रहे हो, आज भी शांत हो, और बड़े सुंदर और अच्छे बच्चे हो। वेरी गुड।
जीनू, अपने बर्थडे पर बहुत खुश रहना। सारी खुशियाँ जो दुनिया की है वो अपने बच्चों को और अपने को और अपनी बीवी को दे दे। खुश रहना हमेशा।
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to भैया, happy birthday to you.
May God bless you, beta. May God keep you healthy and prosperous throughout your life. Be successful in your life and be healthy.
Happy birthday भैया.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday भैया.
Neeraj, happy birthday to you and all the good wishes for a happy, prosperous.
जन्मदिन मुबारक हो नीरज, तुम जियो हजारों साल, यही मेरी शुभकामनाएं और मेरा आशीर्वाद है।
हैप्पी बर्थडे फूफा जी।
Happy birthday Neeraj, may you have fun maximum today, minimum hangover tomorrow.
On this special day, I wish you many many happy returns of the day on your 45th birthday, and I wish you to complete the century, and we keep wishing you in the same manner. I wish you great health, loads of wealth, and you soar the sky.
बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू नीरज, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
नीरज बाबू, आपको जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाओं के साथ बधाइयाँ।
हाय नीरज, आने वाला समय बहुत ही शुभ हो, मंगलमय हो, स्वास्थ्यवर्धक हो। जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ।
हैप्पी बर्थडे नीरज, खूब खुशियों भरा जीवन जियो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे। 3-4 बोतलें और अलग से निकाल के रखे ना, अच्छे से पार्टी करेंगे। एक बार लॉकडाउन वगैरह फ्री हो जाए उसके बाद करेंगे। एंड मेनी मोर टू कम एज यूजुअल। सो और अपन बोलते रहेंगे, करते रहेंगे, चलता रहेगा। एक बार तो
Happy birthday जीजू, wish you a wonderful year ahead with happiness and good health. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Neeraj, may God bless you, may God bless you with your favorite brand of whiskey. Happy birthday to you.
So, I'm told you're 45 years old. Um, it makes me feel old. I am even older than you are. So, thank you very much for reminding me. Your wife has given me a tremendous task. I'm working on an RFP and she's given me a video to make um, for you so that you remember your 45th thing. Fantastic. So I've made a drink. I'm writing an RFP. Uh, so we will talk about a couple of things. So cheers first. Um, good. You're a good drinking buddy. We've had some good sessions together. You and me and a couple of other gentlemen as well, and ladies possibly. Yeah. So good time there. I don't remember much from the childhood perspective. All I do recall is that you were always much better at the education thing, and I was probably always on the back bench, and so those comparisons were inevitable. I don't want to get into the past on that, but yeah, whatever that is done. You made great thing of your life. You should know that. See the struggles that you've been through, where you started, what you have ended up as, doing a basic hotel management thing, and then trying to stay abreast with technology, learning the nuances, and look at the place that you are now. Be happy. There are things you can always crib about, saying that, hey, I could have done that better or this better, and so on and so forth. Doesn't matter much. I think basic paradigms, basic goals are met. You have home, you have a lovely family, lovely kids, great relatives, and I'm a fucking delight as usual. So you can't do away with me even if you wish to. So you will have to live with that. So success cannot always be measured as money. This is my wife telling me that. So success is also about, are you at peace with yourself, right? So I think you should be doing that more often than not. I think the other thing as a way forward, what I would suggest is that you should probably evaluate becoming an entrepreneur yourself. I think you have good insight, good reading of thoughts, good viewpoint, great viewpoints to make about differential things, and you should consider that as an option. Maybe sometime in future, not so much, but consider retirement as early as possible. If you think in another 5 to 7 years, my goal was 45 to retire. It became 50 now. I still do not see an end to it. I think I'll have to up my game and say 55, but we'll have to see. So these things will continue. So be happy, be positive, look at what, and you've seen the struggles in the immediate past as well. So try and stay as positive as possible. You're much better now, looks wise, if I have to compare to past, and so the mooch is damn good, and obviously you're not traveling much outside, so your tan is also off. So have a good time. We miss you. We would have loved to have Sanya over and you guys over for whatever that shorter period of time. Somehow that thing was jinxed, didn't come through, but hopefully soon we will catch up. I am not going to run through that 1 to 10 agenda which Moni has given. That's so bloody painful exercise to do. But have a great time. Drink on me. A single malt waiting for you when we catch up next.
Happy 45th, sweets. Though you don't look a day older than 25, but still, numbers matter. 21st January 2000, between 5 to 5:30 p.m. I met you. And from that day till today, you're mine. I love you, and I don't need to tell you that. good wishes, prayers. You're in my prayers every day. So every day I pray for you. My wishes are always there with you. I sincerely feel that you've not got what you deserve. And I trust, I believe that now the good time has started and you will get the ROI on the investments and learning, sincerity and hard work that you have put in. I don't feel as if you're Shravan's brother. You're mine. You're my own. I have lived your childhood memories. I have relived it with Mama. I think I know everything about your childhood. Good, bad, both. Your youth through Mom, Shravan and Shivi's stories. And from Dhana Mama's stories also. I love you a lot. To me, you are one of the most important family member. You never made me feel that I'm an outsider. From the day I met you till date, you are so important and you make me so happy. Thank you so much for being there always. I love you a lot and wish you a very, very good year ahead.
Cheers, Neeraj! Wish you a very happy, sparkling, great birthday!
Hello, hi Neeraj ji, happy birthday. You have been such a fun and loving person to be with, and you care so much about all of us, and I especially love all our conversations about life, universe and everything. Enjoy your day.
Hi Neeraj Yaji, wish you a very, very happy birthday. You are so positive, so optimistic and always full of energy. Keep going that way. Wish you a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kaka!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Yay!
A very happy birthday, Bhaiya. God bless you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Chinu Bhaiya. May God bless you with abundant health and good health. And within this, COVID lockdown, you have a fantastic birthday with your family.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, नीरज भैया हम अंकल नहीं कह रहे हैप्पी बर्थडे सर हमारे भाई जैसे दोस्त को जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं
We love you, uncle. I love you. और जो हमारे लिए सही में बहुत 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 प्रोटेक्टिव हैं उसके लिए बहुत सारी विशेस Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे नीरज
God bless you.
जब भी ये सामने होता है तो एक ही चीज याद आती है
हर एक दोस्त कमीना होता है
हर एक दोस्त कमीना होता है
और इसकी बेस्ट मेमोरी क्या है?
इस कमीने की सारी मेमोरी बेस्ट है बट इसको देख के हमेशा जब भी मिलता है ना तो एक गाना जरूर गुनगुनाता है और वो भी जब थोड़ा सेट हो जाता है उसके बाद एक गाना गाना दिए जलते हैं फूल खिलते हैं
बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर
दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं दिए जलते हैं
और
एक और सबसे बढ़िया चीज नीरज जो कोरोना काल में तेरा हाल है ना उसके लिए एक ही चीज याद आ रही है भुला दे डर मौज कर जीले मेरे यार
और हम जब भी मिलते हैं तो हमेशा बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं बहुत फन होता है तो वी ऑलवेज एंजॉय द कंपनी गॉड ब्लेस यू हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन
बाय बाय
Happy birthday, Neeraj. God bless you.
Have a wonderful, wonderful day with your wonderful, beautiful family. We love you.
Love you, love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Neeraj. Happy birthday to you. यारा तेरी यारी को याद करेगी दुनिया.
नीरज यारों का यार मस्त मोला बंदा फुल ऑफ एनर्जी एंड पॉजिटिविटी यार मजेदार बंदा का जो एक चीज़ मुझे याद है, इफ़ यू वांट टू रिमेंबर, आई टेल यू वन थिंग। बंदा वाट लगी हुई, कमर की ऐसी वाट लगी, लेकिन पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज कर रखी थी, बोल रखा था, सबको इनवाइट कर रखा था। बंदा लेटा हुआ सोफे के ऊपर, कोने के ऊपर, पर क्या ऑर्गेनाइज करी, क्या मज़ा आया यार। वी रिमेंबर दैट इवनिंग सो मच। और ऐसा जोश आ गया बंदे के अंदर कि उठ के नाच रहा है मस्ती में।
आज तक कभी भी किसी के साथ ये रिकॉर्ड है कि हमने कभी एंजॉय नहीं किया होगा जितना हम नीरज गंजू के साथ, मोनिका गंजू के साथ पार्टीज को एंजॉय करते
और
हैं।
मैंने किसी को और को यूरोप से कॉल नहीं किया था, आप लोगों को किया था जब मेरे पापा मटेली हो गए।
एक गाना जो मुझे याद आता है ना, वो गाना है, किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा, मुझे हीरे से मतलब क्या, मेरा तो यार है हीरा। यारों यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया, 100 बार शुक्रिया, मिलियन बार शुक्रिया, 100 बार शुक्रिया। तुम जैसे चूतियों का सहारा है दोस्तों, से चूतियों का सहारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों।
Hey brother, birthdays are like candies. You'll enjoy them much more if you listen to me. Don't try to count them and you'll have a healthy life for the next 45 years to come. Enjoy your life, Neeraj. You are a great person. God bless you. Have a fabulous birthday.
Here's wishing you a very happy birthday, a very healthy and a long life. And we look forward to doing some cheers when we meet. I've known you for last about 15 years now. The first time that you came to open an account with me, and thereafter from being a professional one, we have developed a very healthy, friendly relationship. And in fact, knowing your family as well, it's been a pleasure. And what else can I say about you is you're an honest person, a genuine person, a true help indeed person. From last 15 years that I have seen is you have matured better. You have taken every responsibility given to you in the right spirit. You have shouldered the responsibility and you have supported others in all good and needy times. One thing that I need to change about you is being so upfront and being so honest and being so commanding with others. Rest as a person, remain the same slim person that you are, and be good. That's what we aim to be. So from the heart, we all join you in wishing you a very happy birthday. Though in these times it's very difficult to meet, but we'll meet and we'll celebrate. Cheers.
Hi Neeraj, wish you a very happy birthday and God bless you.
Hi Neeraj, wish you a very happy birthday and a wonderful year ahead. Like in 1996, even in 2020, I'm very hopeful that things are only going to get better from here for all of us, I guess. So all green lights, all good luck to you. Have a great day ahead. Cheers.
Hey, many happy returns of the day, Neeraj. Wish you a great, fantastic 45th birthday, or 45 years young, let's say. So keep being cool, keep rocking, and typical as is your nature, take all of us. You know what your insights are. So one word, you are the cool guy. That much I can say, and I've seen that
how cool you are. I'm not sure ज़्यादा कुछ बातें आ नहीं रहा है, but still trying my best to tell you something. So the one abiding memory which I have particularly, I'm sure quite a few of us have during our IHM days, is यार तुमने तो, you were our resident French tutor for many of us, including myself. I think I owe it to you for your French guidance, particularly exam के time जब तू बाथरूम में पर्ची लेकर आता था और हम लोग इन टर्न बाय टर्न जाके वहाँ पे देख लेते थे. So ये तो this is something which will remain in, at least in my memory for as much as I can remember. Well, something to tell you which I couldn't all these years, but तो ऐसा, how did you become such a big finance bond? You've become quite a key banker. So उसका राज क्या है? So with your stints in Yes Bank now and previously, even when I remember meeting you in HDFC way back almost 20 years back when we were in Delhi, when I was in Delhi that time doing my MBA. So in your first steps in the banking field, but to the 20 साल में एकदम quite a finance bond you have become. So keep rocking, keep going. I'm sure you'll do, you'll succeed like never before. And कोई गाना अगर है तो this we used to often sing together. It doesn't really describe you or anything, but just my memories. This Aerosmith song. There's something wrong with the world today. I don't know what it is. In fact, there is so many things wrong with the world today. So there's something wrong with the world today. I don't know what it is. There's something wrong with our eyes. Yeah, we are living on the edge. Oh, we are living on the edge. Great, Neeraj. Keep rocking. All the best.
Happy birthday, Chino Chachu. I don't really know when I met you for the first time because I was probably a baby. But you are one of my favorite people who I consider as like my idol. I would love to be you, like if I grow up, or have like even 1/5 a part of you, maybe someday. Let's wish for that. But I hope you have a very nice birthday. Abu, you are just amazing. Like the things you have taught me, even though I've just been there like 4 to 5 times, and the things that you've taught me, and they stick. And thank you for those. And I hope you have a very nice birthday. I hope, even though this year is bringing everyone down, I hope it brings you up in some way. Happy birthday again. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Chino Chachu. I'm missing you a lot. I will come as soon as the lockdown is over. Happy birthday, Chino Chachu. Love you. Love you.